Good morning, dear students. So in the last session we have studied regarding the sum of products. So today we'll study the standard sum of products. It is also known as a min-term canonical form. So in the standard sum of products, all the individual terms do not involve all the littles. Littles as for example AB plus ABC bar. So all the individual terms do not involve all the literals. So it is here the C literal term is missing. In the first product, terms do not contain the literal C. If each term in sum of product forms contains all the literals, then the SOP, sum of product form, is known as a standard canonical form. If each sum of product contains all the literals, is nothing but ABC plus ABC bar. If each product contains all the literal forms, then it is known as a sum of product. It is also known as a standard sum of product. Standard sum of product. It is also called as canonical sum of product form. Canonical sum of product form. So each individual term in the standard sum of product form is also known as a min-term canonical form. This is also known as min-term canonical form. So min-term canonical form. So in the standard SOP form or min-term canonical form, they may give us a standard sum of product form or min-term canonical form. So standard sum of product form, what it is? It is nothing but all the individual terms do not involve all the literals. For example, AB plus AB C bar. So here in the product of in the first product term, C literal is missing. If each term in sum of product form contains all the literals, then it is known as a standard sum of product. For example is ABC plus ABC bar. This is known as a standard sum of product. It is also called as a min-term canonical form. For example, you can tell min-term canonical form. It is AB bar C, ABC bar plus ABC plus A bar BC plus AB bar C. So this expression is consisting all the literals. So all the literals are present in each product term. You can see ABC, ABC bar ABC, A bar BC, AB bar C. So this is the expression for standard sum of product form or min-term canonical form. In other words, we can say that the sum of products is a standard canonical form of product. If every product term involves in every literal or its complement, one standard sum of products which is being shown here. If f of a comma b comma c is equals to a b bar c plus a b c plus A bar B C bar. So each product terms consisting all the literals in either complemented form or uncomplemented form, that you can see. So each product form consisting all the literals, either it is in a complement form or it is in a uncomplemented form. So this is regarding the standard sum of product. So next is product sum of POS, product of sum. Till now we have studied regarding the SOP, that is sum of product. So now we'll study the product of sum. This is PSO, product of sum of form. So in the product of sum of form, so what is a product of sum? So product of sum, it is a group of sum terms ANDed together. So SOP, what we have studied, it is a group of product summed together. So under the product of sum, it is a sum. A product of sum is a group of sum terms ANDed together. For example is f of a comma b comma c is equals to a plus b into b bar plus c. So this is a product. ANDed, not ended, okay? ANDed. And this is sum term. So what is product of sum? A product of sum is any group of sum terms ANDed together. AND operation together. For example, we have given a plus b into b bar plus c. So this is a sum terms and this is a product. One more example you can give for the product of sum. That is f of PQRS is equals to P plus Q into R plus S into P plus S. So this is the what? Product. And these all are sum terms. So each these products of sums expressions which is consisting of two or more sum terms, that is OR gate, that are ANDed together. So here what we are taking? Each product sum of expressions which is consisting the two or more sum products, which is consisting the two or more sum products and that are ANDed together. So here also you can see, so each term which is consisting one or more literals, either it is consisting the complemented or uncomplemented. Complemented or uncomplemented forms The product of sum is also known as a conjunctive normal forms. This is also known as conjunctive normal forms. So what is product of sum? Product of sum is a group of sum terms which is ended together. For example is a plus b into b bar plus c. So this is a product and this is a sum terms, and these are the example for product of sum. That is, each product of sum is consisting the two or more sum terms and which is ended together, and each sum term consisting the one or more literals, that is p plus q, a r plus s bar, p plus s, which is in the form of complemented or uncomplemented. So this is also known as conjunctive normal forms. So next is standard POS, product of sum. Standard product of sum forms. So next is standard product of sum form. So this is also known as max terms. This is also known as max terms, canonical form. So standard SOP forms is also known as min-term canonical form, and standard POS form is also known as max-term canonical form. So in the max-term canonical form, each POS terms consist all the literals, then the POS form is known as standard canonical form. If each expression is consisting all the literals, for example, f of ABC, you can take, they are saying ABC plus AB. So what they are saying, if each POS consisting all the literals, that is ABC, or it is in the form of complement or uncomplement, is also known as a standard canonical form. That is canonical product of sum form. Also, it is also called as max-term canonical form. When it is called as a max-term canonical form, when each individual terms in the standard POS form, which is consisting the all the literals, then it is called as a max-term canonical form. It is called as max-term canonical form. For example, f of ABC is equals to a plus b plus c plus a plus b bar plus c. So each term consisting all the literals, either it is in the form of complement or uncomplement. So this is regarding the product of sum and standard product of sum, which is also known as a max-term canonical form. So in today's class, we have studied regarding the standard SOP form or min-term canonical form. So standard SOP form is nothing but all the individual terms do not involve all the literals. For example, AB plus AB C bar. So in the first product form, the little c is missing. If each sum of product form contains all the literals, then it is known as standard canonical form or else standard sum of product canonical form. It is also known as min-term canonical form. It means all in this expression, all the literals are present. Either it is in the form of complemented or it is in the form of uncomplemented. Complemented or uncomplemented. So next is product of sum. So what is product of sum? So it is a group of sums together. It is a group of sum terms which is ANDed together. For example, f of ABC, A plus B into B bar plus C. So this is a sum terms and this is a product. So next, what we have studied? Here also in product of sum, if some term consisting one or more literals which is in the form of complement or uncomplement. So this expression is example for this product of sum. So it is also known as conjunctive normal forms. So under the standard product of sum, it is also called as max term canonical form. It is nothing but if each term in the product of sum contains all the literals, whether it is in the form of complement or uncomplement. It is known as standard product of sum or canonical product of sum form. So when it is called as a max term canonical form, when each individual terms of a standard POS terms, whether it is in the complement or uncomplemented form, it is also called as max term canonical form. For example, f of a comma b comma c, that is a plus b plus c plus a plus b bar plus c. So each sum terms consisting all the literals, whether it is in the form of uncomplement or complemented. So this is regarding the product of sum and standard product of sum. So in the next session, we will study the next part. Thank you.